Hey there, I'm Dory from the blog This Full Life 5, and today I want to talk Varathane Wood Stain. But first, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we're putting out new material all the time. Okay, so Varathane Wood Stain. There are several reasons why I like and recommend this stain. We have used it in multiple areas throughout our home, specifically the color Briarsmoke. It has kind of a gray undertone, but it still has that rich brown, just wood look to it. So we really love this color, and I'm going to show it to you in a couple of different places throughout our home on different wood types. I'm also going to show you how to use it on a project. So let's get started. Okay, so first, a couple of the reasons why I love this stain. Number one is that it is thick, so you can use a paintbrush or a rag to apply it to your wood, and it goes on thick almost like a paint. So you only need one coat on most of your projects, which makes this super quick. Also, it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to penetrate the wood. So you're not waiting like with Minwax stains, you're waiting 5 to 15 minutes and then you might have to do another coat of stain. With Varathane, you're only going to need one coat on most of your projects, and it only takes 3 to 5 minutes for it to penetrate your stain. Then you're ready to wipe off any excess stain and allow your project to dry. Your project is dry in 1 hour. It only takes the stain 1 hour to dry. So Varathane is super fast. The stain is really fast, and so it makes your projects go quicker, and so that is why I really love this stain. So I'm gonna show you a couple different places that we used it in our home. We've used it on pine and we've used it on oak, and so on our barn doors in our entryway, we purchased them at Menards, and they came unfinished in pine, and so this is what it looks like, the Briarsmoke Varathane stain put over pine wood. When we first moved into our house, we took on our brick fireplace, we painted it, and we also stripped and restained our oak mantle, and so we stained the oak mantle with the Briarsmoke Varathane stain, and so this is what the stain looks like on oak. And here's how you would use Varathane on your project. This is a project that we were working on for our son's room. We gave his room a makeover recently, and I'm going to share that soon. But this is how you would use it on your project. And that's how you apply the stain to your wood project. It's super easy. Once your project is completely dry, if you'd like to use a top coat, I highly recommend Varathane's Ultimate Polyurethane. We used it in a satin on our barn doors, and we've been really impressed with the durability and how it's stood up to our 3 kids, and just the wear and tear of living in your home. And so it dries fast, it's durable, and so if you want to use a top coat on your project, this is the perfect one. We've also used the Varathane Briarsmoke stain in our guest bath and in our coffee nook as on our wood countertop, and in those areas, since we have sinks in both of those areas, instead of using the Varathane polyurethane, in those areas we used a butcher block top coat to seal the wood, and the stain did great. Still did great with that top coat as well. So overall, love Varathane stains. I would definitely recommend them. They have all different colors, so be sure to check them out if you're looking for a different color for your project. Please shoot me any questions you have or visit the blog, and we will see you soon.